What's up, assholes? Paul here. Welcome back to my survival nightmare. Missed episode 1? Go watch it. Long story short, I'm a squirrel now. It's been a week on this hellhole of a planet. Forest not too bad. Got food, water. Everything's mostly chill, mostly. So the real reason I'm still stuck in this crap show, they sealed off part of the forest after my crash. I'm trapped. Gotta be sneaky, stay low, hope they don't notice me. Fuck yeah! Check this shit out. Perfect damn way to escape this military clusterfuck by road. Hide, grab supplies, and get the fuck out of here.
Oh, fuck. Here we go again.
Ha! Okay, I'm totally seeing things. This can't be real. Yep, totally normal. Just my imagination. Right? Okay, lesson learned. Not everything colorful is candy. And yeah, Chuck already ate the actual RV owners, yeah. All right. Chuck's moving us out of this military morons, and I'm in the toilet. Almost perfect.
Mark, you didn't like them, huh? Total chaos, like my planet. Thanks, bro.
Freedom! Look at this. Miles of forest. Ooh, maybe I'll build a house here. Like, subs, what do you want to see next?
Brother? I'll find you, sooner or later.